in Las Vegas. So guys, got the pina colada and some curly fries at the pool. And then that's the hotel again. Huge.
Okay, so
hello everyone, welcome to the Las Vegas vlogs, baby. So we got in last night. There was a bit of an issue with the rooms, but it got sorted in the end. This morning I went to the gym. We just had a pool day, hence why I've got a little bit of a tan line. I don't know if you can see. Now we're going out and exploring Las Vegas. It's our first day in Las Vegas, baby. Just had a little bottle of Prosecco to celebrate my birthday because I didn't actually end up opening it on my actual birthday, so this is where the partying begins. Yeah, so we're just going out, exploring, gonna get some food, I think. I hope you're enjoying these vlogs, and this will probably just be one big Las Vegas vlog. I don't know how much we're kind of doing in the day. I think it's all kind of nighttime. But yeah, stay tuned. Yeah. This is crazy. The amount of lights right now. We keep seeing loads of deep dish pizzas, which personally I would love to go to. So guys, we raced it to the Cheesecake Factory before it closed. And yeah, it's still pretty busy in here, but it's huge. And we're in the Caesar Palace in Las Vegas. So this place is like a maze. You could easily get lost.
I think so, yeah.
Korean style chicken.
Oh, we show them that? Mushroom.
Cameron. And then I got shrimp, mushrooms, and I think it's like beef underneath. Really good.
The size of that? The scale?
Yeah.
The scale.
The scale, that's my hand. It's huge. And that mash looks insane. So we just finished at Cheesecake Factory and we obviously had to get some cheesecakes to go. We got a key lime cheesecake pie, well the boys did. And me and Mum are sharing a Cinnabon cheesecake. And look at this little aquarium, you can kind of see. But like, there's a huge tank within the swimming pool full of fish. Khloe Kardashian, I was looking forward to seeing one of her Good American stores open, but I didn't realise, but we are close to the Colosseum, which is where Adele has been doing a lot of her gigs. So she performs at the Colosseum every weekend. So guys, it's the next day. We are now going to try this amazing looking Cinnabon cheesecake. The cream is very sweet and thick. Let's try it.
This is the wildlife habitat. It's running birds, fish and turtles in a lot.
So we can do that. So good.
That's free.
So sweet though.
Yeah, the flamingos near where we are.
Oh, have a sugar rush after that. So guys, we have just come to Topgolf.
I've seen this one all over TikTok and like, I think we're very high up, as you can kind of tell. You can see our hotel from like over there, I'm pretty sure. And then there's the net in case you fall. And then, yeah, it's pretty good. I think like we're glad we're doing this now because it's so hot outside, so we need to be in the shade.
hater that can love me right. I get that hater that between my legs. I get that hater, I get that hater. Whoa, feel like bacon, feel like bacon, feel like bacon, whoa, feel like bacon.
So we're now in the Luxor area, which is another hotel, and then there's the big pyramid next to it. But yeah, going on in, very hot. We're inside the pyramid and it is huge. Don't know if you can, there's the casino obviously in there, wow, everywhere. Yeah, pretty crazy. And now I'm in New York. How's about it? It's so cool that all these restaurants have like a Paris area and this one's New York. So we've got a pretzel hot dog with Parmesan and bacon to share from the New York Pretzel Company. I don't know why I said Parmesan like that, like American. Parmesan. Parmesan? I forgot how we say Parmesan. Parmesan. Gorgeous sunset in Westgate. We're getting the monorail, which is perfect because it's actually scenic. I'm wearing this cute top. It's not helping my sunburn. And we're getting on now. We're in Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas, about to watch a show. I think it's like dancing, singing, acrobats. So should be good fun. So for dinner we've come to this place called the Ocean One Bar and Grill, and we can't believe the prices. It's so cheap in terms of compared to the rest of the restaurants in Las Vegas. You can get any beer for £3 and $3 and any 3 cocktails for $12. So I think I'm gonna get the chicken parmesan.
No, it's $1.
So guys, I went for a banana daiquiri and it smells incredible. I know it's a bit of a weird one. The $3.50, like you would never get that in London or anywhere in England or anywhere in Las Vegas. So here's my chicken parmesan.
Steak.
Carbs, carbs, carbs. But yeah, the boys got steak.
Kaboom.
And Mum got risotto chicken. Nice. We are on our way. It's the next day and we're now going into the Venetian. We had a really good time last night. And I think this is the one where it's like inside it's Little Italy and Little Paris. So yeah, I'll bring you along, and it's Thursday, so we've got 2 more days. 1 more day. And watch out. We're going back downhill now. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. It's been pretty crazy. We're going to the Sphere tonight and In-N-Out Burger. So yeah, see you then. The Grand Prix is being held in LA, Las Vegas, on the 16th to the 18th of November. So everywhere is advertising it. This is a life size. I don't know if any of you used to watch, but me and Cameron were obsessed with Cake Boss when we were younger, and this is where Buddy's Restaurante is, and I'm pretty sure like where he like cooks and stuff, which is pretty cool. Like his cakes were incredible. There's the Palazzo, and we're going to the Mirage Hotel now. So guys, me and Cameron got a hot chocolate to share. This is the old-fashioned hot chocolate. It's huge. My hand, it is humongous. And then I got mac and cheese for my main. So there's Mum's big American hash brown and biscuit. It's like a scone. And then Cameron's scrambled eggs. Here's the guy that I was on about earlier, Buddy, who was like the cake boss. We've just found this vending machine. There's loads all over Vegas that have like, you can buy a slice of his cake, but these you can also buy, like it makes a fresh pizza for $10 a slice. Like, it's crazy. It's baby. So everyone like, comment if you like Stuart's hat, Las Vegas. Or we're in In-N-Out. There's the animal style fries. In-N-Out animal style burger. Stew. Yum. So guys, we just finished the In-N-Out and it was so good. I think if the fries didn't have the animal style sauce and onions on top, the fries would be a bit, but the burger was so good and light, and the cheeseburger, not the double, the cheeseburger was enough for us. Yeah, it's really good. We're getting ready to go to Sphere now. I think it's like, it's a postcard from Earth. You can either go to a concert or do a postcard from Earth, and we're doing that one. And apparently it's 8K, so our eyes can't even take in how good the quality is. But it'll be good, and I'll try to go a little bit if I can. Oh, it's a pumpkin!
Oh, that's nice.
For Halloween! I mean, this thing is huge. So guys, we're in the Sphere now and it is huge. There was a whole foyer area with like AI robots and it was really scary. This is all of the LEDs go all the way around. And I don't know if you can tell how high up we are. Like, we are very high up. It's giving Abba Voyage, I don't know why, but yeah, we are pretty excited, but very high up.
It loved. It yearned.
It's the next day, guys, and we are in Old Town Vegas. Fremont Street. We've just finished at dinner and now we are going to the Mob Museum. So it is the last night in Las Vegas before I go to Paige's and experience Halloween at a sorority / uni college experience. So me and Mum are going to a Michael Jackson experience, which is a Cirque du Soleil show, which I'm very excited about. And we're also just going to get some tea now. So a pretty crazy night, but I'll take you along with me. And then that'll be at the end of the Las Vegas vlog.
I've gone rogue.
We are going past Treasure Island there, and then we are going to the Mandalay Bay, which is just over there,
Which is down.
for the Thriller show / Cirque du Soleil. But we're just gonna go grab a drink, grab some food first, and then head over. Just come to the Stranger Things tour temporarily. It's a whole shop with Stranger Things. Woo! Maya's house right now.
Oh yeah.
Will, if you can hear me. And all of Elle's drawings.
Yeah, one of those.
Stranger Things fans, don't come for me if any of this is incorrect. Oh my god, I did not realise you could get a vinyl. Sick. There's the Demogorgon. So guys, we are just getting ready to go into one Michael Jackson Cirque du Soleil. It's basically a Cirque du Soleil like trapeze, and I think it's got water, like it's diving and like a water show too, with all of Michael Jackson's biggest hits. So pretty cool. And then you got the sports area there where you can bet on live sports. Every hotel has it. Yeah, I'll show you when we get in. But I'm very excited because the whole road trip we've literally just been listening to Michael Jackson. So here is Michael Jackson's authentic military jacket that he wore in one of his music videos. Another one of his costumes. And a big chandelier. I mean, it's crazy. There's a whole theatre in a hotel, as well as casino, pool, club. I think there's 2 theatres in this hotel. So we are in the theatre now. And in the comments, guess how many times I've said Vegas, baby. Look how big these monster trucks are. Whoa. We in Vegas, baby.